Hello dear students, here our question is given: balance the following redox reactions by ion electron method. As you see, the ionic equation is here given, and this equations this reactions takes place in basic medium. So here try to understand that how to make it balance. So first we need to calculate the oxidation number of given species in this chemical equation. So manganese oxygen O4 minus. So manganese oxidation number will be here 4 to the 8 and minus 1, that will be plus 7. Iodine oxidation number is minus 1. Manganese 2 to the 4 minus 4 minus 2, and then it will be 4 plus. Iodine oxidation number will be 0. So now next step is that find out the oxidation process and reduction process. So let us see that change in case of the manganese, and changes takes place with reference to iodine. Now next step is uh, uh, identify the oxidation and reduction. So here as you see plus 7, the plus 7 manganese oxidation state in the reactant, and when it change into product, there it become plus 4. So we observe here oxidation number decreases, oxidation number decreases. So we call it is a reduction process, reduction. And here we observe the oxidation number increases, oxidation number increases. So we call this process is oxidation. As you know by the definition, if the oxidation number increase, then that is the oxidation, and if the oxidation number decrease, that is a reduction. Now next step is break this oxidation and reduction reactions into two parts. So first I write that oxidation reaction I minus equals, it gives I2. This is the oxidation, right? This is a oxidation. Next is that MnO2, sorry, O4 minus aqueous, it change into MnO2 minus, sorry, MnO2. Now this is reduction, reduction. So next step is that here I write that rule. First uh, identify oxidation and reduction. Then second step is break these reactions into two half, oxidation and reduction. Third is very important point: balance uh, all other atoms except oxygen and hydrogen. So now first balance all other atom. As you see here, I2, and this toward reactant side is I only. So here I will write the 2. Now iodine is balanced. Since in this reaction there is no oxygen and hydrogen involved, so this is the next step is that now balance the oxygen and hydrogen. So here no involvement of oxygen and hydrogen. Next step balance the charge, balance the charge. So in this reactions for balancing the charge, we add the electrons. So here 2 minus means 2 negative charge, how many? 2 unit towards, so towards the towards the product side. So towards the product side 2 electron we will add. So now see that 2 negative charge is also this side too. So now the negative charge is balanced, right? Now next now balance the redox reactions. So in this case we balance the redox reactions. Here I write that balance the charge by adding electron, electron, right? Electron we will add towards the opposite side, where this is the towards reactant sides, the negative charge. So our electron will be added towards the product side. So next is in case of MnO4. So now see manganese 1, it is balanced. So balance all other atoms except oxygen and hydrogen. So now balance the oxygen and hydrogen. So here the towards the product side, oxygen we will calculate, there is a 4, and this side oxygen is 2. So now here the 2 oxygen is less. So for balancing oxygen we need to write the add the 2 atom molecule. Is it clear? So now the oxygen is balanced, but the number of hydrogen ion is increases. So here the 2 to the 4 hydrogen. So we balance the hydrogen by adding the 4H plus. So now balance the charge. After balancing oxygen and hydrogen, we must balance the charge. So towards the product side there is no charge, but towards the reactant side 4 plus and 1 minus, so that will be 3 plus charge. So where the plus charge is more, in that side we add the same number of electrons. So 3 charge is more here towards the product side, so we added the 3 electrons. Now multiply the reactions. 6 state it that multiply the reactions in such way that electron get cancel out. Multiply the equation in such way that electron gets cancelled. So we multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. So now we can write that as follow. When we multiply this equation by 3, so we will this new equation will be 6I minus aqueous will gives 3I2 plus 6 electron, and when we multiply this reduction reactions, then we will get 6 electron plus 2 4 ja 8 H plus aqueous plus 2 MnO4 minus that will gives 2 MnO2 plus 4 H2. Now add this both equation, this both equation in such way, so we will get that electron will be cancelled out, So our new equation will be such like 6I minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus 8H plus equals 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 and it will gives 2MnO2 plus 3I2 plus 4H2. So now we have MnO2 solid, I2 solid and water liquid. So now we have a balanced chemical equations. So this is H plus is looking in these reactions. So we can say that this reactions is balanced in the acidic medium. So now how we will convert it into basic medium. So for basic medium there is no need to do anything. Add the same number of OH minus ion both side as equal to the hydrogen plus ion. So 8H plus ion, add the 8 OH minus both side, 8 OH minus. So now it will become 8 water. So 4 water and 4 water from here will be cancel out, 4 will be left. So our the final equations will be like that, aqueous plus 2 MnO4 minus aqueous plus 4H2O that will be liquid will gives 2 MnO2 solid plus 3I2 solid plus 8OH minus aqueous. So dear student, that's all about it. Thank you.